Okay, so today we are going to be focusing on factorising using perfect squares. Now, the more that you've expanded and factorised, you should have started to see a rule emerge. And it's important for you to constantly expand and factorise with simpler ones, because you start to see these rules. And this rule is, if I've got a plus b squared, that is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. If I think about my second rule of a minus b in brackets squared, same thing. That tells me that I've got a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So we are going to use these rules to help us out with these equations. So this equation here, I'm straight away going to look at my a and my b. My a is right here. So that tells me that straight away my a is going to be x. Then I look over at my 9, and this 9 is b squared. So that means b must be 3. So it must be x plus 3 in brackets squared. We can see the middle is positive 2ab, which is 2 times x times 3, which is 6x. I'm just going to move this one over now, and let's look at our second question. This second question is looks a bit more challenging, but it is actually quite straightforward. The first thing I want us to think about is our a. So if I look at our a, we've got 4x squared. So if I think about what a must be, well, it definitely has an x. But what's this? If the squared is 4? The square root of 4 is 2, so it must be 2x is a. Likewise, if I go to my b is 25, so my b squared, is 25, which means if I square root 25, I get 5, so it must be 5, which means it gives me my a and b of 2x plus 5 in brackets squared. I can double check that with my rule of plus 2ab. Well, that 20x must be 2ab. So 2 times 2x, which is 4x, times 5, which is 20x. And there we go.